Hi, I'm Leonard James D. Postrado, and today I'm excited to present our social marketing plan, Teen Talk. This is a comprehensive campaign designed to tackle one of the most pressing issues faced by Filipino high school students: mental health challenges. Before I explain the group's strategic plan, I just wanted to give a quick recap on the report of Ruth Duque on the current mental health situation in the Philippines. Based on the 2024 Global School-Based Student Health Survey results conducted by the World Health Organization, we've learned about the alarming prevalence of emotional distress among Filipino youth, particularly due to stigma and a lack of accessible resources. Despite national mandates such as Republic Act No. 11036 or the Mental Health Act, there remains a gap in the implementation of proactive youth-centered interventions. This is where Teen Talk comes in. The Teen Talk campaign fills this gap by providing culturally relevant, developmentally appropriate mental health content through digital and face-to-face channels. As you can see on the screen, these are the objectives guiding the campaign's activities and ensuring its alignment with the overarching goal of normalizing mental health conversations among Filipino youth. We have three main objectives. These are, first, to equip students with the knowledge of mental health concepts, common issues, and coping strategies. Second, to foster a supportive environment where open discussions and shared experiences are encouraged. And lastly, to empower students to advocate not only for their own mental health, but also for the well-being of others around them. The Teen Talk campaign is strategically grounded in the theory of planned behavior, a framework that emphasizes three critical factors influencing behavioral intention: attitudes toward mental health, subjective norms, or the perceived social expectations from peers and family, and perceived behavioral control, which reflects an individual's confidence in accessing and engaging with support systems. By addressing these elements, we aim to positively shape the way Filipino high school students approach and advocate for mental health. Furthermore, this approach directly aligns with Sustainable Development Goal No. 3, or good health and well-being, by promoting mental health literacy, and Sustainable Development Goal No. 4, or quality education, through the creation of inclusive, accessible learning environments that empower students with the knowledge and tools they need to thrive. In implementing Teen Talk, ethical considerations are a top priority to ensure the campaign remains safe and supportive for all youth participants. Firstly, all content is developmentally appropriate and thoroughly reviewed to match the age group's needs and understanding. Second, the campaign relies on verified professional resources, ensuring students and families have access to credible information and expert support systems. Finally, we promote responsible digital engagement, encouraging thoughtful and informed interactions across all platforms. These safeguards are essential to mitigate risks while empowering Filipino high school students in their mental health journey. The Teen Talk campaign utilizes social marketing and mobilization thrusts to create meaningful and lasting impact. First, we focus on awareness, delivering engaging digital content and events that capture attention and spark conversations. Second, we emphasize community building through active engagement on platforms like Facebook and TikTok, creating a sense of belonging and support among high school students. Third, we ensure access to resources, providing direct connections to psychosocial networks and helplines, which are crucial for students seeking mental health support. Lastly, Through proactive engagement, the campaign leverages on podcasts, TikToks, and roadshows to encourage active participation and advocacy in mental health conversations. Now my group mates will delve deeper into the project's specifics. Thank you for your attention and support in empowering the next generation.